Okay, mount your camera, use portrait mode, then walk in. You can now jump up, do as if you fall to the ground. Watch what I'm going to be doing. Just jump up, you fall to the ground. Then at this point, look round. After looking round, you just stand up. As you stand up now, you walk out, okay? Walk out, go and pick your water. Watch what I'm going to be doing. Go and pick your water and come back to the scene. I've picked my water now. Look at what I'm going to be doing. Then I will drink this water. Then I will shock as if, you understand now. Imaginary as if, then I will split it out. Then after that now, you do as if you are shocked. You understand? Then you walk out from the scene. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Click it, import it, click on the video, go and look for volume, click on volume, reduce it to 0. So at this point, you look for where you want your video to start from. Look at this place where I make a jump. Immediately I make a jump now, then I will click on the video and make a split. I will click on the video, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then I will keep adjusting. Look at this place where I fall down and I'm looking around. Immediately I want to stand up, I will click on the video, then I will make a split again. Then I will keep adjusting, keep adjusting. Okay, keep going front, look at, I'm working with my water. So at this point, I am going to be making a split. So I will click on the video here. And make a split, okay? Then I'll click on the center part and delete it. Then I'll keep going front again. Look at this place where I pour the water out, where I split the water out. Click on the video again and make another split. I'll click on it and make another split. Then I will keep adjusting. Look at this place where I did as if I'm shocked. Then you click on the video again there and you make another split. Okay, delete the center part. We don't need it again. Then I will come front, click on this one, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay now. Click on overlay, then adjust the video a little bit. Then you click it again, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto removal. Allow it to remove completely, okay? Just exercise a little patient, allow it to remove completely. Okay, it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Then now you want to be clicking on the video to adjust it to the point where you are splitting, where you are pouring the water out, okay? Bring it to that point. So next thing now is to be applying your key. You click on key, then you use your hand to crop the video. Watch what I'm going to be doing now. Come back to the key, then use your hand to crop the video, your two thumbs, your two fingers, you crop the video. As you are cropping it, you are taking it to the point of your mouth, okay? Look at what I am doing now. You are cropping it, you make sure it's going to the point of your mouth, okay? Because you want to split the character out. So you are cropping it to the point of your mouth. You have crop it until you see it no more. Crop it until you are not seeing it again. Then after that, you adjust the video a little bit. After you adjust the video a little bit now, you are going to be using your hand again to push it out. Use your two thumbs again and start pushing it out. Make it visible. Start pushing it out. You will see what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing now. Start pushing it out. Look at it. You are pushing the character out. Look at it. Take your time to do here so that your own will be okay. Just play with it. You are pushing it out. Look at it. Then after that, you drag it down. You drag it down. Make it to come to the floor. Then you push it out. Finish. Then you make your necessary adjustment. Okay. Then after this place now, you are going to be watching the video to see how it played out. After you watch this video now and see that the result is not okay, just take your time and make your necessary adjustment. You will see what I'm going to be doing now. Like and comment, share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up. You are welcome. So look at it now. After that, after your adjustment, click this place, make a split. Click on this one now, make a split, okay? Make a split. Delete this one, delete the other one as well. Okay, you can see that this place is longer. Use your hand to trim it a little so that it will be equal. Now your video is ready. You play the video now and see what we have got. Simple. This is nice. This is okay. This video is ready here now. So what will be remaining here now is your light effect, your sound effect, as the case may be. Okay, then you add them. After adding them, you can now export your video. But you're saying, I don't know how to add them. I want you to pull me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. What you need to do is locate our number at the description of this video. Give us a DM, okay, so that we will put you through on how to add your sound effects and the rest, as the case may be. Okay, or better still, put it at the comment section. Okay, but another thing you want to know about this video is, if you want to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. Reason being that you use auto remove DG, which is a pro features. But in one of my video, I've recorded on how to use Capcut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, then you come back and export this your video. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you love this video, why not give us a thumbs up? Until we come your way again, thank you. Stay safe.